Hey y'all, happy Monday. Got a little juice time. Today is juice time, not tea time or coffee time. So guys, this is good. So what I have to say today, just do it. Just live. Just live. Let's just live. Let's just live and stop worrying about all the things. Just live, okay? That is my inspiration for today. Just live. We can't change stuff, y'all. I keep telling y'all. I mean, you can change, like, if you want a different job, if you want to go to school or something like that. But I'm saying, like, worrying about things that you cannot change. Just live. Breathe a little bit. Just breathe, okay? Just breathe. So, all right, y'all. Recap of the week. So yesterday, one of the boys came by with his girlfriend and her little boy. We still treat him like grandchild. I don't care, because kids didn't ask to be in this world. So I don't like discriminate or anything. So we did that. It was so busy. We ate good. I don't know if I put a picture on Instagram. If I didn't, I probably will today, of dinner. If you're not following me on Simply Black Vegan, please go over there. I just did a nice haul. And I'm trying to think. Yesterday we did go to the Goodwill, y'all, where I told you it was in a nice area. They didn't have anything. Both Mark and I were looking for. I ended up finding a hoodie. Well, not finding one. We were looking at certain things, but we ended up putting everything back and leaving. So my mission today is I just let him go in and sleep. He's tired. He worked last night. I'm off today. So a lady is supposed to be coming at 2 o'clock to come pick up that old black table. So it's in the garage. That's going to be happening today. Hopefully she will come, because I want to just get stuff cleared out. What else is going on? I'm on my way to Goodwill, to the two that I have not been in a very long time. Now, one is by one of those bin places called Bin Treasures. So what I might do is, if I have enough time, I'm going to go to the first one first. That's a little ways from the next one. And then I go to the next one, then the Bin Treasures, then I go home. And I can make it back home probably by 1 o'clock and tidy up some things. But yeah, y'all, that's all I got right now. If I find anything in Goodwill, if I see anything, I'm actually going in there to, you guys already know, I'm looking for a buffet style console mid-century modern dresser. So that's like, you know, like I showed y'all underneath the chest area, that's how tall I would like it. So yeah, that's what's going on today. And then I'm gonna show y'all some upgrades of the curtains and little things that switched around here and there. I'm going to be switching up my videos. I'm not going to do the same thing every day the same way. I just, you know, it gets a little bit redundant. So, yeah. So, guys, I will see you guys at the Goodwill, I guess, if I find anything. All right? Can't see where I can't see y'all. Wait a minute. I can't do this and drive. This is not good. Hold on, y'all. I'll see you guys in a minute. Old-fashioned and ugly, and they got the matching nightstand. But I'm gonna show you what I found real quick. Look, y'all, I found the clock for the back room. If I get it, I'll let you know. But I'm gonna see if they'll take something off, because the back of it is cracked. It's only $3, but we'll see. But it's ugly. Let's see if that one's $40. It's pressed wood though. This is the second Goodwill. Guys, this is the last one. So this is the one that's right by the Goodwill I just left. They didn't have anything, so we're gonna go here. This is the I'm gonna park over here. This is the treasure bins. Yeah, this is the treasure bins. So I'm not upset, but I know one thing. After this, I'm gonna go home. I'm not gonna keep going out looking, but I do know for sure that I think Friday, one of my friends, she's supposed to try to go to the bins, and maybe I'll get lucky that day. But I am gonna go in here and see if they have anything in the furniture. This is where I got the dining room table chairs from. So I'll see you guys. All right, y'all, I'm in here. Look at this. This is outside furniture. That is super cute. $95 for that. I don't know how much this chair is, but planters. Let's see if they got any dressers. I'm gonna have to get off of here in a minute because they got music playing. Hope I don't have y'all all over the place. Super cute stuff. Oh my God, they have the oh no, those are not the metal chairs that I seen. So y'all, this is it. I don't see any dressers. I see that, and then they still have this dresser here, but it's sold already. Oh well, look at that. Look at these chairs right here. They're so nice. There's 4 of them. How random is this? Yeah, look at that. Isn't that something? And they're all the gray color. Hey guys, y'all, I'm back home. No, I didn't find anything, and that is really, really good because I just got a feeling that either I'm probably going to find a dress on the side of the road or I'll find one at one of the other bins that's a little farther, with the one where me and my husband went yesterday, or the one that me and my girlfriend goes to sometimes. So yeah. But anyway, this video is going to be short today. I'm really glad, y'all. I'm going to enjoy my home. I really do. There don't be a lot of times I could just sit at home and relax and do nothing because I'm always doing something. Oh wow, the lady is here, y'all, for the hold on, I'm gonna show y'all real quick. The lady is here. I don't know if you guys can see right here. She's here. She's here to pick up the table. So I'm gonna come back, guys. I'm gonna come back. All right, guys. Sorry, she was on time, y'all. Look, got my money. But I sold it for pennies on a dollar. I didn't care as long as I got something for it. But anyway, what was I doing? Or what was I talking about? Oh, what I'm about to do now is I actually was in here cutting pieces off of the split leaf Adansonii, and I'm going to take these little pieces here and put them, we're going to put them in the hallway. Then I'll show y'all what I did with the curtains and stuff. So, yeah. He's still asleep, y'all. I done been gone and everything, and he's still asleep, which is a good thing. So look, I'm gonna put them in here, and I don't know if y'all can see, I do have some babies, some roots coming up, so we're gonna put that in here, and we're gonna get some more babies. A piece fell. Let's get this one out of the boot. Then I have like this little piece here, and girl, that will give you new babies. Just keep it in the water, just like that. So let me show y'all the curtains in the room. He's still asleep.
They want to be bothered. Ain't that the truth? When you get older, you don't want to be bothered with certain things. You let the young folks deal with it. You know, we have that attitude.
I put this one in the center because it's sheer. So when somebody is sitting, oh my gosh, y'all wait. Sorry. But I put this one in the center because it's sheer. And if somebody's sitting on the deck, they can't see in there. So I don't know if y'all heard me, but what I was saying was, because I don't want him to wake up, I put the sheer curtain, it's 3 panels on the back towards the deck, so if we have company, they can't see into the bedroom. So the sheer one is a different material, but still 100% cotton, so I put it in there. So that one has 3, but the one in the middle is sheer. Okay, and then here's what I did to the front room. As you can see, oh y'all, we keep getting dark, sorry. I don't know why is this doing that, y'all, I'm sorry, hold on. So, as you can see, I have this one here, and it touches the floor, and then I have this one here, and it touches the floor. If it wasn't on there, it touched the floor. But guys, I'm so glad about it. So yeah, that's how that looks. And then these here, I came up with an idea. I'm going to be putting those into the kitchen. So I'm gonna look for another one of these nice hooks, curtain rods, and I'm gonna put that in the kitchen. That's gonna go right here, and then I have 2 panels here and 2 here. Because I think it's gonna look nice, and then you gotta remember when we get another TV for the back, that smaller TV is gonna go up here facing the table. So yeah, guys, that's all that's happening. Let me see if I got anything else I changed up. Oh, let me show y'all in the bathroom. I did change up something in here because I just felt like I needed to. I put I end up putting this tray here and just moving the tissue basket here, the Kleenex. I just did it like that and brought these down. So that way, you know, it's out of the way because I don't want the kids touching or knocking it down right there. But guys, that is it for today. I will see you all probably in another video. I'm just going to use the rest of this time to just chill out, relax, and enjoy the rest of my evening. It might get warmer a little later, I'm not sure, but if it does, what I'm going to do is probably go out and take a walk and probably just come back home and relax and chill and watch some YouTube. So guys, if you made it this far in the video, please consider subscribing, like, share, and comment, okay? And share the channel. And remember, love yourself. Yeah, you right here. Love yourself so that you will be able to love others, and this world will be a much better place.